This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 20th of December. I'm Michael Groff. It's another chilly start to the day, but we'll start a warming trend that continues through the weekend. By next week, unsettled weather comes in here. Chances of rain virtually every day. How much will we get? And what about that Christmas Day forecast? Let's get into it. First, the Almanac from yesterday. 65 degrees was the high in the valley, 40 the morning low. And that's pretty close to where we should be for this time of year. Outside now here at 8:40 a.m., we've got sunny skies, 41 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 30, humidity 65%. The winds are calm. And the barometer up there at 30.26 inches and rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 28 degrees, the cool spot at Goldfield, 30 at Fort McDowell. Most of us are in the mid-30s to low 40s. A couple of spots are even climbing into the mid-40s now as we begin to warm up for the day. The upper air look, that little short wave that brought in the reinforcing shot of cooler air, it's now moving out into the plain states. A ridge of high pressure building in behind it, so a dry northwesterly flow will be the rule. The watch warning map is relatively quiet. We've got some winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings across parts of the Pacific Northwest. Convective outlook for today, no severe weather, no thunderstorm areas expected anywhere across the contiguous U.S. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix around a half inch. Could see slightly heavier totals in the favored upslope areas, but models are starting to come into better agreement with the scenario for next week, or at least for the first half of the week. We'll get into the details of that now as we check it out. Go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure building in, the upper heights are rising, so down at the surface with a dry northwesterly flow, sunny skies. High temperatures this afternoon, mid and upper 60s. A beautiful day. Tonight, mostly clear skies. Lows down in the upper 30s to mid 40s. And then tomorrow, we'll see some high clouds come in as our trough starts to develop well off the west coast and a broad southwesterly flow begins to take shape. But I think we'll see more sun than clouds. High temperatures in the low 70s. Sunday, a day with more clouds than sun, but they'll be mainly mid and high-level clouds, so we'll still see at least a decent amount of sunshine. High temperatures, low 70s. And then on Monday, now our trough is beginning to really take shape and move on to the coast. We'll see moisture further increase, leading to a chance of rain coming in by the afternoon. I think most of the day here in Phoenix is likely to stay dry, though, but by the afternoon, we'll at least have a slight chance of showers. Better chances out west and across northern Arizona. High temperatures still holding in the mid and upper 60s. Now, Christmas Eve, our trough comes through, takes sort of a neutral, maybe even a slight negative tilt, better diffluent flow aloft, and decent moisture transport with this feature. So we'll see numerous showers in the morning and at least scattered showers in the afternoon. And we could even see a few thunderstorms pop up. And those may produce some small hail and gusty winds, as we've seen with some of these systems coming through the last few weeks. High temperatures likely in the upper 50s and low 60s. It's not going to rain all day on Christmas Eve, but just know that the chance will be with us, and the best chance for rain, at least here in Phoenix, will be in the morning. Snow levels will start out on the high side, but come down likely to around 5,000 feet, maybe even just a tad lower than that by the afternoon and evening hours. Now, Christmas Day still looks like a day with quite a bit of cloud cover around, considerably cloudy, maybe mostly cloudy. And there could be some isolated showers, but it's certainly not going to be a washout of a day. High temperatures, upper 50s to about 60. On Thursday, the model spread grows a bit with regard to another area of low pressure sliding down the west coast and into the desert southwest. The GFS shows scattered showers in here. Some models show nothing. Some models show this could be a significant system. At this point, we'll just go with a continued chance of showers, about a 40% chance of rain in here for next Thursday. We'll probably get a better handle on this once we get through our initial system early next week. High temperatures should remain below average, though, likely upper 50s and low 60s. All right, here's a week from today. This is Friday the 27th. That feature now moves out. Broad troughing remains here across the western half of the United States. So temperatures would remain below average and periods of clouds would be with us. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Sunday the 29th. A westerly flow, another trough along the west coast here, and perhaps a little short wave moving into the southwest with time. The idea here is that temperatures will be at or below normal levels with unsettled weather likely holding for the rest of December. All right, checking out the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Highs will stay mild this weekend, perhaps even on Monday. We could still bump up to around 70 degrees. And then cooler temperatures for the rest of the next week and really through the rest of 2019, perhaps even a little bit lower than what's shown here, at least for high temperatures. Overnight lows likely to be at or a little bit above normal with more clouds and precipitation chances. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. If you enjoy our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate it. You guys have yourselves a fantastic Friday and a great weekend.